Thank you so much for coming here, Helen. I'm one of those people who really don't like you. Just going to be honest. I've never liked the DA. I find the DA to be the most racist party, full of white supremacy. The question for me, and it's a big question, and I know you've said it before, that genocide is a big word, and it goes to there. How can we even trust you to lead anything when you can't acknowledge that there's a genocide going on in Gaza? You say that, please, let me finish. You say that we must wait for the ICJ to rule. The ICJ has found that there's a plausible case of genocide. The ICJ has said that we must respect the rights of people. Amnesty International's ruled, Human Rights Watch has ruled, the International Association of Genocide Scholars has ruled, and you continue to deny that there's a genocide. Where is your morality? How many more children must die? How many more people must starve, Helen Zille, before you will stand up with a spine to the immorality that there is a genocide? And your party keeps saying, your party keeps telling us that it can't do anything, that it can't influence what's happening there. Your party can influence it. Sir, everybody's shouting at me. I was making my point very calmly. Please allow me to make my point. Your party keeps shouting at Helen. Your party keeps saying you can't do anything, but you can. You can support other ICJ cases. You can support sanctions. You can support the stopping of coal. You can support the prosecution of people serving in the IDF. That's what you can do, Helen Zille. That's what you can do. Shame on you. Shame on you. Yes, I'm a citizen here and I can speak. Thank you for your time, Helen. I appreciate that you've listened to me. Your constituents and white supremacists might not have. These people might not be listening, but I respect that you listen. Thank you.